This is Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher morse code for today, 18 July 2024. So first thing you should do is to switch to daily Cipher mode by clicking the Cipher button at the middle. So the second thing you need to decrypt the code for today is the international morse code, which is right here, which you can download from Google. As you can see, the letters and numbers are represented in dots and dashes. Let's move to Hamster Kombat. So I Hamster Kombat now. So switch to daily Cipher mode. So the daily Sapphire word for today is yield, which is spelled YIELD. So let's move to international morse code and look for Y, which is dash dot dash 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 dot dash dash. So move to international morse code and look for I, which is dot 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 dot. So let's go back and look for E, which is a dot, then L, which is dot dash dot dash dot, then last word, which is D, which is dash dot D. So click on take a prize to get your daily Sapphire reward, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So thanks for watching.